Hello and welcome to this Unity tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to change your cursor from the default cursor. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go up to File, then Build Settings, and then just ignore all this and just click Player Settings. And then actually we can close this window. And then what we're going to do is we're going to ignore everything but default cursor. And then you can use your own 2D texture, but I'm just going to select, let's see, a check mark. That'll be cool. Now, when we press play, see, the check mark's right there. Alrighty. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.